This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Chandra's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good
Mr. Kim, it was your sister, Sarah. The room froze in an instant. The sound of the TV faded into the background as your heartbeat thundered in your ears. Chenguk slowly sat up, straighter, on the couch, staring at Mr. Kim, as if he didn't believe what he would just heard. You, Sarah? Chenguk, what the did you say? Mr. Kim, with raised the truck driver, reviewed the black box footage and compass statements. Turns out he was paid a hefty sum, and the bank account used to send the money belonged to Sarah's assistant. The money was wired just 2 days before the accident. You, no, she wouldn't, no, not again. Your knees gave out and you collapsed onto the chair behind you, mind spinning. The betrayal was cruel, echo of everything you had been through. She hated you, yes, but trying to kill you. Chenguk rose from the couch, red slowly rising like a fire behind his eyes. Chenguk, she wanted to kill my wife again? She's been trying to rip her apart since the day she saw me care about her, and now she tried to take her life for real? Mr. Kim, she's gone into hiding. We have issued a warrant and we will find her. I promise you that. She was my sister. I thought, even after everything, I thought somewhere in her heart, she would still see me as a family. Tears streamed silently down your face, but you weren't so big. The pain was different, deeper. It felt like something in you had cracked. Something you had hoped was still salvageable. Chenguk, hey, look at me, Ryan. Look at me. Your teary eyes met his, and the storm in his gaze softened into something fierce and protective. Chenguk, she doesn't define you. Her hate doesn't diminish your light. She failed because you're alive, and so am I. We are here together. That's what matters now. I can't believe it. It was really her again. Chenguk, because you're everything. She's not. She can't stand that you survived her cruelty. That I choose you. That you are the one I look at every day and feel peace. And she gave me that not once. His forehead leaned against yours, and in the silence, you could hear the unsaid truth building. He was falling. Slowly, deeply painfully, falling in love with you. He didn't need to say it yet, but it was there, in the way he held your trembling hands, in the way he refused to look away from your pain. That night, after Mr. Kim left, the house felt colder, like the shadows of the past were creeping in through the cracks. Chenguk hadn't moved away from your side, his arm never leaving the back of the couch, where you sat, curled up, eyes red, cheeks still lamb. His presence was the only warmth left, clinging to your bones. Chenguk, you haven't eaten a thing all the day. Come on, Ryan. Just a bite for me. I'm not hungry. I keep thinking about what would have happened if struck it just a little harder. If you hadn't. Chenguk, stop. Don't you dare finish that sentence. I'm here. You're here. That's the only thing that matters. He pulled you closer, tucking you beneath his chin, and you clung to him like he was your last anchor to a world that kept breaking around you. She planned everything, knowing I would be in that car. She looked at me like a sister, and still she wanted me dead, Chenguk, she's sick, Ryan, obsessed, and she's going to pay for this. I will make damn sure of that, but you're not going to let her win by falling apart, okay? Not when you have come this far, not when you survived everything. You pulled back to look at him, tears clinging to your lashes. His eyes searched your face and something shifted in him. A crack in the armor, a glimpse of the love that was taking root inside him. Undeadable now. You, Chenu, I'm hiding because of you. Not just from the accident, from everything. From the years of being treated like I wasn't enough. From feeling like I was burdened. You made me feel like I belonged for the last time in my life. You gave me hope. He isn't mine again.
तेरी है पट तुम मेरे हवाले कहता है तेरा जिया बोलो पिया के हाँ के हाँ के हाँ जो नहीं है दीवाना हूँ कि कुछ भी न मांगू कभी मैं, जो तुम मेरे हो। ऐसा हो क्यों कि लगता है हासिल सभी है, जो तुम मेरे हो। जो तुम मेरे हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम हो ही नहीं तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में। और नजरों में मेरे एक जहाँ है जहाँ तू और मैं अब साथ है, और वहाँ कोई नहीं तू और मैं ही है। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए कभी, हम तो प्यार से ही मर जाएंगे। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे, जो तुम मेरे हो। तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से। पूछे तू कि तुझ में मैं क्या देखता हूँ, जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे हैं। जाने ना तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों नजरों से मेरी यहाँ, देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है, और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी, तो मैं क्या ही करूं बर्बाद मैं तेरे होठों को जिनसे रखती मेरे प्यारे प्यारे नाम है, और दिल का तेरे और दिल का तेरे, अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ क्या बात है। और हाँ देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की बारात है, पर क्या खुला आसमां या फिर लाई यहाँ जोरों से बरसात है। चाहे वो छाए भी बादल तो, चाहे फिर भी तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमको मांगू ना कुछ और जो तुम मेरे हो।
तुझे तक 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 तकते रहना, तेरी बक 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 सुनते रहना, काम काज सब भूल भुला के तेरे पीछे पीछे चलते रहना। ये तो है बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, लव इज अ बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, प्यार प्यार बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, ये लव इज बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। फिर भी सोच लिया हूँ मनमा, एक बार तो इस जीवन में कर ले वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, करना है वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। आई वांट टू वेस्ट माय टाइम, आई लव दिस वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। पूरे 75 बार मिररवा देखे, 32 बार हम अपना बाल बनाए, 8 मर्तबा कपड़ा चेंज किए हम, भर भर बोतल बढ़िया सेंट लगाए, सजते रहे संवरते रहे, किया ना कोई भी काम। आज समझ में आ गया भैया, लव इज वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। फिर भी सोच लिया हूँ मन में, एक बार तो इस जीवन में अजब गजब सी उथल उथल है मनमा, कैसी है ये फीलिंग कैसे बताए, बैठे बैठे बिना बात मुस्काए, क्या है माजरा कुछ भी समझ न आए। चिल्लाए, आज समझ में आ गया भैया, लव इज वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। फिर भी सोच लिया हूँ मन में, एक बार तो इस जीवन में कर ले वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, करना है वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। आई वांट टू वेस्ट माय टाइम, आई लव दिस वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम।
मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता के तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता के तुझे पता नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया, ओ तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया, वे मारी तैनू खबर नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया, वे मारी तैनू खबर नहीं। ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया, ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है तुझे पता नहीं। कुछ दिन मेरे यार पुराने की हो गया, की हो गया, की हो गया। तेरे नहीं क्यों होश ठिकाने, की हो गया, की हो गया, की हो गया।